Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to import a Mozaik file into VORTEK Spaces. We'll show you how to quickly export your Mozaik designs so they're ready for the preparation stage before your client presentation. To export a project from Mozaik, click the SketchUp button in the right toolbar. Your project will open directly in SketchUp. From there, save the file using the original project name. In VORTEK Spaces, click on Add a Project, select the SKP file, then click Open. In the Project Properties window, you can rename your project or keep the same name as the original SketchUp file. Click Save to confirm. Your project is now ready to be transformed with real-time visualization. Check out the other tutorials to learn how to apply materials, add 3D accessories, adjust the lighting, and finally render photorealistic pictures and walkthrough videos. Here's a tip. You don't need to start over in VORTEK Spaces when making changes to a Mozaik project. Just update your design in Mozaik, send it to SketchUp, and save over the same SKP file you used before. VORTEK Spaces will automatically detect the updates and apply them, while keeping all your materials, lighting, and scene customizations intact. That concludes our tutorial. Thank you for watching.